In MAKEathon, we are dealing with artificial intelligence.
MAKEathon is a great opportunity for everyone, those who are interested in the topic AI, those who would like to get started, but also those who are experienced already.
This is a hot topic today, and especially machine learning is the hottest topic nowadays. But it's not only machine learning, it's also knowledge engineering, since we want to build intelligent systems.
The collaboration between knowledge engineering and machine learning became very crucial in our topic, because we at first had to get some knowledge on the topic before we could even create an idea.
There are a lot of mentors also from industry and research that can give a lot of knowledge to the participants to really create something meaningful, innovative and user-centric. We had 12 super interesting company challenges across industry.
Challenges from the banking area, from insurance, from health, both humans and pets. We have automotive industry, we have sports, recipe platform, we have video support and a few more even.
So wonderful challenges, also wonderful impacts generated by the different teams where the solution can stimulate wonderful new areas in applications of AI.
An event like this allows a company to come in and give a specific task that gives meaning and direction for a student to work on, and maybe some motivation to continue their studies and progress into a career in the future.
So it is an extension to the study program, and we hope also that we can motivate the students to start their own companies in this area.
The job market is hotter than ever for data science and data engineering skills. Participating to this challenge is the best gift you can give to yourself and to your career. To build a better AI, to build a better healthcare, to build better products, and ultimately to work on the world's toughest problems at scale with Databricks and on the cloud with Azure.
Swiss companies should support events like the MAKEathon, and it's very important for us to do so, to keep Switzerland competitive and to keep the company running and to keep it innovative.
We create user-centric, innovative and sustainable prototypes that can create a better world.
We had to train a machine learning model with 20 million entries, and that was only possible due to the help of Databricks. One of the sponsors, they had a great platform set up and an expert on site. So whenever we had a question, we asked him, and we asked him a lot, and then we made it. So that was really amazing.
I would recommend attending MAKEathon for future participants. It was really nice to connect with my peers and my lecturers kind of in person, and this really changed the whole experience for me. And the entire experience just felt very warm and kind of cozy, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to the future years.
So join the MAKEathon next year. I'm looking forward to seeing you all.